Guys, if you want to win on Etsy, you really need to use all the tools at hand. And ChatGPT is one of the best tools to use right now to actually help you. Now, ChatGPT can help you with many things, but to help you with Etsy, it can also help to create fantastic listings. It can help you find those really cool title, those words, those keywords that you need, those tags, and help you write a really fantastic product description. So if you're not utilizing ChatGPT, then where are you guys? What are you doing? Because you really need to be using it. And people are using it all the time right now. So I'm going to show you on this video how you can sort of identify the best keywords to actually use to on your listing, and actually create some fantastic tags and so forth. ChatGPT can literally do everything right now, and even create your mock-ups for your design. So, this is a new world right now, and you need to be utilizing it. So, without further ado, I'm just going to give you some tips, some hints how you can utilize it to your advantage and hopefully get those extra sales on Etsy. So, let's get into this. Okay, guys, so I'm on Etsy right now. And look, the best way of doing this is actually niching down. So, whatever it is that you sell right now on Etsy, focus on that. Okay. So, whether it be clip arts, whether it be tumblers, whether it be wall art, whether it be coloring pages, books, whatever it is, focus on that. And a big tip that I keep telling sellers is that make sure you're niching down, right? Wall art is not saturated when you niche down, when you go into a specific category. And there are emerging markets and niches all the time. Every on a daily basis, there are new things appearing and slowly gathering momentum and then becoming the new trends. So it's really important if you are in a niche or a niche, whatever you want to call it, like wall art, like clip art, that you identify those niches that are coming through. And actually, you can use ChatGPT to help you with this. But let's just focus on how to get your listings seen and for the Etsy algorithm to favor you. So, step one is go into your niche. So, let's say clip arts. This is an example. You can obviously put your own one in there. But let's be more specific and let's say animal clip art, right? Animal clip art. Now, obviously, you can use tools like Everbee, and I always say that Everbee is a fantastic research SEO tool and definitely utilize it. That should be there anyway, but you can also use other things like ChatGPT to help you also. So I've just gone into a sub niche, so a subcategory of clip arts, which are a popular one called the animal clip arts, right? And if I look down, I can see there's many different types. I can go even further and I can say maybe funny animal clip arts, or I can say nursery animal clip arts. This is where I'm sub niching even further and I'm going into those subcategories. So I'm actually going to say nursery, animal nursery clip arts, right? Which do sell very well and are quite popular on Etsy. So I'm just going to say that, right? And I definitely always recommend just going to a sub niche, because then it also gives ChatGPT more information and more ways to actually home in on those particular keywords that work for nursery clip arts, right? And obviously, you can see lots of these. Etsy itself will tell you what's selling from the best sellers, popular nows, and Etsy's pick. You can see these are some popular ones right now. So when asking ChatGPT the question on how to find those good keywords and those really cool tags, it's very important to ask ChatGPT in a particular way. So I'm going to show you how to do this in a second, but I'm just literally looking down and looking and seeing the kind of designs from those bestsellers, those popular nows. And like I said, use something like Everbee. I've done loads of videos on Everbee, how to do the title research, SEO, and so forth. But today's video is on ChatGPT. So without further ado, I'm going to jump onto ChatGPT and let's get into this. Okay, guys, I'm on ChatGPT right now. And the one thing I will say to everybody is that you need to start talking to ChatGPT. The more you talk, the more you ask it, the more it understands what it is that you're trying to find out, what you're looking for, the more it can help you better. And I keep saying it, you need to sort of train ChatGPT with regards to what you're doing, what you're about, what you're looking for, what you're trying to create, what your business is. The more you do that, the more it will understand and will give you a tailored response. And this is the key to this, right? So don't go in cold with ChatGPT. Actually, start talking to it really beforehand, right? I'm going to pay something that I've kind of thought about for a while, which is as kind of a worded sort of, something worded, which I'm going to ask it. And what I'm saying is, look at some of the best selling, and I'm going to say, and popular. See, I'm using the keywords which are actually from Etsy. Use Look at some of the best selling and popular, right? Popular animal animal nursery. I'm going to say nursery. All the keywords that I'm in the niche that I'm looking at. Nursery clip art listings on Etsy, making at least 1,500 a month. Now, the reason why I'm going for $1,000 a month, I've said I'm gonna say 1,500, $1,000, 1,500 a month, right? Now, I know that this number is a good number, and I know that actually, if you can look at those really high quality, those top selling listings, then you're more likely to get some of those um, good keywords. But I'm also going to specify something else. So I'm also going to say, and give me the best title. Before I say that, I'm going to add something else, which I think is very important. Making at least 1,500 a month and are quite new listings. So quite new listings of maximum age of 6 months old. Now I'm looking at listings a maximum of 6 months old, making at least $1,500 a month in the nursery animal clipper niche. So I'm being very, very specific. And this is what you have to be with ChatGPT. You can't be vague, because what it's going to do is going to actually go into those and check out those listings and see what kind of keywords, really good keywords they're using, with that Etsy is sort of favoring it. Because if you think about this, if there's a listing that's 3 months old and it's making already $1,500, right? It's doing something right. And Etsy algorithm has obviously favored it. It likes the keywords. It's probably in an unsaturated keyword market. So it really does help that you actually come into sort of refine your question rather than keeping it wide, because keeping it wide is not really going to help you much. And this is why I keep saying, be very specific. And then I said, and give me the best title to use, which is high converting. So again, specify I want a high converting title and likely to appear high. So appear high on Etsy search, right? As well as tags and a product description, right? So you can see on every single angle, I'm looking for something that's quite recent, that's making money in a specific niche, making good money, that's high converting. And this is how to do it. Don't make it wide. Like I said, if you want to try it out yourself, copy what I've written, and try it yourself. But let's see what ChatGPT gives me. So as you can see, it's searching the web and it starts to look and see what's actually working. And now it's going to create a response for me. Now look how quick that is. It's literally in seconds. So what it does is it analyzes good listings firstly, just see what's going on. And it says, based on current trends and successful listings in the animal nursery clip art niche on Etsy, here's a comprehensive guide to creating a high converting product listing. Now, it's already given me a sort of optimized product title with some really good keywords like woodland baby animals, watercolor forest creatures. Forest creatures is also a good one. Nursery decor, baby shower. So these are, really sort of high quality keywords, right? That it's given me. And it also explains why these title keywords, why this title works. It's talking about, keyword rich incorporates these high ranking search terms. It's telling me that woodland baby animals is a very high ranking keyword. SEO friendly, aligns with Etsy's search algorithm preferences in terms of relevancy. And the thing about Etsy, obviously, it matches you in terms of relevancy. If a listing is relevant, right, for the customer, then it's going to actually show it to the customer. And so ChatGPT understands that, so it aligns it with Etsy's search algorithm with regards to this relevancy and specificity, if you like, being specific. It also given me the high impact tags, really high quality tags, which I did ask, and look, it's given me 13 as well. I didn't even specify I wanted 13. So look, this is what I'm saying. This is high quality AI right now. And it's given me some fantastic words that I know work really well. You got the forest animals PNG, baby shower clip art, forest creature clip art, fantastic words that is known to do well. And look, it's even explained its tag strategy, where it's got broad tags, specific tags, and long tail keywords. And having the mix of these kind of tags also really does help elevate your listing. Not to have too many broad ones or specific ones. Having a good mix of these does help elevate your listings up on those higher pages. And ChatGPT understands that all too well. Even understanding how to create a product description, so it's giving me a product description which I can see, and it's also broken it down in various things. So I'll probably do probably a longer write-up in the first part. Again, it's included those keywords in the product description, so it understands that. But I'll probably write a little bit more, but I can always say to ChatGPT, please write a bit of a longer, compelling product description. But it's included some important points with regards to what the customer gets. So you've got 20 high-res PNG files. Obviously, if it's more images that you're giving away or selling, like a pack of 40 images, you just need to change that. But it's giving you a sort of, if you like, an idea exactly what you need to write and include. And it's put those keywords that will help also push your listing up higher. It's talking about the instant download, why you love it, which is nice, and nice bullet points as well. Not writing heavy in those nice clear bullet points, chunks of writing which people can read. And then it goes on for more optimization. Now this is also the extra bit that it gives you. It's talking about pricing, talking about customer reviews, talking again about Etsy SEO. So for example, it's saying additional optimization, pricing, research similar listings to price competitively while reflecting the quality of your artwork. Now, you can go even further and ask ChatGPT for some ideas about pricing and so forth. But again, being specific, obviously this video is about specifically about how to get your title tags in a specific niche scene. So do try this strategy. It's a fantastic strategy because, obviously ChatGPT has studied those top listings and will understand what words actually work. But if you are interested in how ChatGPT can help your Etsy listings, do write me a comment in the comments and just say ChatGPT, right? And I'll try to do more videos like this. Now, there are also many other ways that ChatGPT can help you, and I've done a video on it where it can actually recreate those listing mock-ups as well and have some really high converting mock-ups to help sell your designs. And I've done a video on that also, created by ChatGPT, but do check it out. So if you're interested in more videos on how you can help your store and your listings actually get seen and get more sales with ChatGPT, please write ChatGPT below. And yeah, hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.